Welcome to your exclusive virtual tour of a charming Bulgarian property for sale, located in the peaceful village of Konak, a hidden gem just 20 minutes from the vibrant market town of Popovo. Imagine yourself driving along a scenic country road, surrounded by rolling hills and open fields, as you approach this rural retreat. The air is crisp and fresh, filled with a sweet scent of wildflowers and the sound of distant birdsong. Welcome to Konak, a tranquil village where time slows down and nature takes center stage. As we arrive, take a moment to absorb the surroundings. The property is positioned at a picturesque corner where two village roads meet, giving it a unique and open setting. There's a sense of timeless charm here, a place where old-world Bulgaria meets opportunity. Before we explore the house, let's step outside and admire the generous garden space. The land spans approximately 1,285 square meters, offering plenty of room for outdoor living. Fruit trees dot the garden, ready to offer seasonal harvests: apples, plums, maybe even cherries. Picture long summer afternoons beneath their shade, or the joy of picking fresh fruit right from your own garden. Bordering the property are large, traditional village gates, a classic feature of Bulgarian rural homes, providing both privacy and a warm welcome. This entrance opens into a spacious yard, where several barns and outbuildings offer a glimpse into the agricultural lifestyle of the past. While some of the structures are in need of repair, they present exciting potential. Whether you envision a guest cottage, workshops, or storage for gardening tools and supplies. Now let's step inside the main residence. This authentic Bulgarian property, although in need of a little love and care, is full of character and charm. It's connected to electricity and water, offering the essential utilities for year-round living. The ground level features a basement-style first floor, which historically served as storage and utility space. With a little imagination, this area could be transformed into a cozy workshop, wine cellar, or even a rustic lounge. Heading upstairs to the second floor, you'll find a central corridor that connects to 3 rooms, each with windows that let in natural light and offer views of the surrounding countryside. With a thoughtful renovation, these rooms can be turned into warm, welcoming living spaces, ideal for bedrooms, a study, or a relaxing family lounge. Attached to the main house is an adjoining building with 2 additional rooms. Whether you're looking to create a separate guest area, a home office, or expand your living space, this annex provides plenty of opportunity to customize the home to suit your lifestyle. Now let's take a moment to imagine your daily routine here. Morning coffee on a sunny terrace, looking out over the green fields, while birds sing from the orchard trees. Afternoon walks along quiet country roads, waving to neighbors as you pass. And evenings by a cozy fire, under a sky filled with stars. Konak offers not just a home, but a way of life, peaceful, grounded, and close to nature. What makes Konak even more special is the village itself. It's known for its safe, welcoming atmosphere. People here still greet each other with smiles, and community spirit is strong. It's not unusual to see horses grazing freely, or cows and sheep wandering the fields, contributing to the village's rural charm and relaxed pace. In terms of location, this Bulgarian property for sale strikes a perfect balance between seclusion and accessibility. While Konak feels like a world apart, it's just a 20-minute drive to Popovo, where you'll find supermarkets, cafes, doctors, and all the amenities of a regional town. Need to get to the city? You're in luck. The historic city of Veliko Tarnovo, known for its medieval fortress, cobbled streets, and vibrant culture, is just an hour away. The Danube city of Ruse, with its grand architecture and shopping options, is also within a 1-hour drive. Whether you want to explore city life or simply run errands, you're always within reach. Let's step back outside for one last look. From the road, you can see the wide expanse of land, the traditional architecture, and the promise this property holds. It may need some renovation and personal touches, but it has good bones and a peaceful soul. This is more than a building. It's a canvas for your dreams. Whether you're seeking a quiet retirement retreat, a vacation escape, or a new beginning surrounded by nature, this Bulgarian property for sale in Konak village invites you to slow down, settle in, and make it your own. And remember, the most beautiful homes aren't always the ones already finished. They are the ones waiting to be loved. This property is ready for someone with vision and heart to bring it to life. Thank you for joining us on this audio tour. We warmly invite you to visit the property in person explore the village, and feel the serenity for yourself. Contact us today to arrange your viewing. Your new life in rural Bulgaria could be just around the corner. In spring, the orchards and wildflowers bloom in a burst of colors and fragrance, and the hillsides are dotted with blossoms from cherry and plum trees. In summer, the meadows glow gold under the sun. You might see sunflowers turning their faces to the light or farmers baling hay in the distance. With no city lights for miles, the nights unveil a sky full of stars, and the only sounds are crickets and the whisper of the breeze. Nature lovers will also delight in nearby Yastrabino Lake, one of the region's largest reservoirs just a short drive away, which is perfect for fishing trips or picnics by the water. A peaceful and safe lifestyle. Life in Konak moves at a gentle pace. This is a peaceful haven where the rush of modern life feels worlds away. With fewer than 100 residents, the village is quiet and safe, a place where everyone looks out for each other and crime is virtually unheard of. It's not uncommon to see neighbors chatting over garden fences or children riding their bicycles freely on the narrow lanes. The environment is tranquil and relaxed, with no traffic noise or commercial bustle to disturb the calm. The clean air and open spaces make every day here feel healthy and refreshing. If you've ever longed to wake with the sunrise and enjoy your coffee to the sound of roosters crowing in the distance, Konak's lifestyle will capture your heart. This simple village life is not only idyllic but also reassuringly safe. The kind of place where you can leave your door unlocked and still feel secure, knowing you're among friends. Rustic charm and traditional architecture. Konak's rural charm is immediately apparent in its architecture and heritage. Scattered across the green hills are rustic houses with thick stone walls and terracotta-tiled roofs that have weathered a century of seasons. Many homes have charming wooden shutters and flower boxes brimming with geraniums, while yards are often decorated with grapevine trellises and fruit trees. Wandering the village, you might pass an old stone well or wooden barn with hand-hewn beams, quiet reminders of a bygone era. The village even has an Orthodox church, St. Archangel Michael's, originally built in the mid-19th century, standing as an echo of Bulgaria's revival period history. Nearby, the old community cultural center, the Chitalishta, speaks to Konak's traditional community life, where villagers once gathered for readings, dances, and celebrations. There's a timeless atmosphere here. In the evenings, would smoke curls from chimneys as families light their fireplaces, and the scent of home-baked bread or roasting peppers might waft through the air. Konak feels lovingly frozen in time, a living museum of Bulgarian village heritage combined with the simple comforts of country living. The authentic village life is very much alive, with local customs and traditions still honored by the residents. They live side by side with locals, enjoying the clean, friendly, and safe environment. There's a lovely blend of old tradition and new faces, all part of the community. In Konak, you're never a stranger for long. The village's heart beats in the laughter shared at the small community gatherings and the easy conversations on a neighbor's porch at sunset. This spirit of camaraderie and safe, community living makes Konak not just a beautiful place to visit, but a wonderful place to belong. Close to history and modern conveniences. Despite its secluded feel, Konak is surprisingly well placed for exploring and ease of access. The village sits about 18 to 20 kilometers from Popovo, a pleasant market town where you can find all the essentials: shops, restaurants, medical facilities, schools, and services, making weekend beach getaways very feasible. Living in Konak, you can truly have it all. The serenity of country living with the option for urban excursions and travel. Whether you're visiting as a tourist or considering making Konak your home, the village's location offers both convenience and adventure. You can spend your mornings sipping coffee under your grapevine pergola, and by afternoon be touring museums or shopping in the city, then return under a canopy of stars to your peaceful retreat. Konak's connectivity to Popovo, Veliko Tarnovo, and Ruse ensures you're never too far from anything. Yet when you're in the village, you'll feel blissfully away from it all. Konak enchants in every season, each bringing its own special magic to the village. In spring, the countryside awakens in vibrant shades of green. Fruit trees burst into bloom, cherry, apricot, and apple blossoms adorn every yard and hillside, filling the air with a sweet perfume of renewal. The fields come alive with wildflowers and the cheerful chirping of birds building their nests. Spring in Konak feels like a fresh start, with lambs frolicking in the meadows and villagers planting their gardens in the rich soil. Come summer, the days are warm and golden. The landscape is a patchwork of sun-drenched wheat fields and cool, shady forests. Mornings are ideal for walking the winding country roads lined with oak and pine, where you might spot a stork perched on an old rooftop or see butterflies dancing over lavender bushes. Long summer afternoons invite lazy siestas under the grapevine shade, and as evening falls, the chorus of crickets under a starry sky is nothing short of enchanting. Autumn paints Konak in hues of gold, amber, and crimson. The forests on the surrounding hills turn brilliant colors, and the vineyards and orchards offer a rich harvest. Villagers gather plums for homemade rakia brandy and press grapes for wine. You can savor the seasonal flavors and even join in the joyful harvest traditions. The crisp fall air carries the scent of wood smoke and ripe fruit, and the sunsets glow in deep orange over the rolling horizon. In winter, a peaceful hush falls over the village. Soft snow blankets the rooftops and fields, turning Konak into a storybook winter scene. Icicles sparkle from the eaves, and the pine trees in the nearby wood stand tall and green against the white landscape. Indoors, homes are cozy with crackling fireplaces. Neighbors might come together to share homemade pastries and warm tea. Winter days are calm and bright, and at night the village often glistens under moonlit snow.